This is to share my happiness when we received last week new toys in our obstetric and gynecology department, where we received the latest Rubina system. It's a 3D laparoscopic with 4K image and iCG, and it's a 330-degree angle. So there are 4 important key elements here that I want to share with all of you. The first one is a 3 laparoscopy. So laparoscopy is a keyhole surgery whereby a surgeon will make a small cut on the abdomen with few ports in, about 1 to 0.5 centimeter of cut, and putting in a camera and few ports and doing a surgery from that keyhole. And we can do major and minor surgery from there. So previously, it was using a 2-dimensional image or technology, whereby 2D is good enough, but it's like you're driving a car with one eye. You still can do it. You can still reach the destination safely, but if you can have 2 eyes open, you can have a different kind of depth perceptions. You can estimate the car around you, and you can see a lot of things around you. The same thing goes to 3D. When we do a 2D laparoscopy, it is good enough, but 3D fills the gap where you have a better depth perceptions. So that is the latest system that we have. So we will be using a glasses, 3D glasses, just like when you watch 3D movies. And the feeling is like you're operating in the peritoneum cavity, like you're entering the cavity and doing the surgery. And how cool is that? It's just like awesome. And number 2, we have the 4K image. On top of that 3D technology, we are also having the new quality image. So previously we have the high definition with 1080 pixel vertically. Now we have the 4K image where we have the 4000 pixel horizontally and 2000 pixel vertically. So basically the image is more refined and we can see more structures. And for example, structures that we want to avoid, or we want to be precisely moving only the sentinel lymph nodes. And we want to avoid injuries to the ureter and big vessels. So with this image, the movements, the surgery will be more precise. Number 3, it has the new indocyanide green stain. So basically the Rubina system can pick up this stain, the green color of the stain structure, so that we can do targeted surgeries, like for example the removal of the sentinel lymph nodes. Now that we can stain the lymph nodes, we can only remove the sentinel. The same thing goes to ureter. We can stain the ureter and avoid the ureter during the surgery. So we aim to have less complications during the surgery with all of this technology. The 4 key features is the 30-degree telescope. If we are using a 0-degree telescope, basically you can see only the surface. But when we are using the 30-degree, basically you can see the bottom of the structure. For example, the posterior wall of the uterus with huge uterine fibroid. You can see the top of it. You can see the side of it. You just need to play around with the angle of the telescope, so you can see in a smaller space, like a big, huge pelvic masses. So those are the 4 key features in our new toys that I'm so excited about. So ultimately, the goal for all of this technology of 3D, 4K image, iCG, 30-degree is to enhance the surgeon experience during the surgery. It helps to improve the learning curve so that everyone can catch up with the new tech and everyone can, be at a par where the surgery will be safer, shorter durations, less blood, and the patient can recover fairly quickly compared to the old system. So that's basically what we have in the house.